Ko bura mano chwali nyime kod duond bura mar KANU kadwaro mondo do yangini bakar bagorombe mar KICC en maduond bura no mar KANU. Jang'ad buche Jacqueline Mugenyi ka ng'ado bura makamano no wito oko kwayo no mar KANU kendo lero ni andika mar lobno mar KICC ne okedne duond bura no mar KANU ataro mar chik kendo ne girem luwo chike mag lope ma pacho kae. Matimore banka KANU Deno otero ywak e Doho kaluwore ni sirkal mar KANU thicho oko KANU kendo yango ni en mar piny owacho. Duond bura mar KANU ni pod gibiro tero bura e Doho mar ywagruok mondo mi gikwed ng'eto makamano.
The court also stated as follows: the Commissioner of Lands had no power to alienate public land, and any action taken without due authorization is a nullity. And they cited the case of Said bin Saif versus Sharif Mohammed in that case, and reiterated that an action taken by the Commissioner of Lands without legal authority is a nullity. Such an action, however, is, though technically correct, is a mere nullity. That's what the court stated. The cross petitioners have been able to specifically prove the particulars of breaches of clearly laid down procedures in law that were not followed by the petitioner in seeking to acquire the property. The suit parcel public land, the petitioner ought to have followed the procedure provided in law in order to have the suit land allocated to them if they wanted to do so. This court has looked into the evidence on record, and it's clear that the suit parcel was illegally, unprocedurally, and unlawfully acquired by the petitioner.